Relax 1 second, ma'am.
Excuse me now.
Ma'am.
No, excuse me.
Relax.
Why are you touching me?
Okay.
Don't touch me. What's wrong with you? Don't touch me.
You're not leaving with the baby.
You're not touching me with my baby. Knock on the door.
Your hands behind your back.
No.
I'm not playing with you.
This video contains body camera footage of physical restraint. Viewer discretion is advised. On September 23rd, 2025, a South Florida officer stopped a driver for a seatbelt violation. A 7-minute standoff followed. 2 felony charges resulted. This is the legal analysis.
Ma'am, get in the car. I'm legally stopping you. Get in the car.
Why?
Because you're not wearing your seatbelt. That's why I'm trying to talk to you.
I'm not. No.
All right. You're going to
No, we're not doing this.
Okay,
No.
Relax 1 second, ma'am.
Excuse me now.
Ma'am.
No, excuse me.
Relax.
Why are you touching
Don't
me?
do this. Don't do this.
Just move.
Okay.
Don't touch me. What's wrong with you? Don't touch me.
Ma'am, put the baby
No,
down.
I'm not putting anything down.
Put
It's
the
my
baby-
child.
Tango 32, 1050, 45,
stop
109, 30. Ma'am, stay here though. You're not leaving. You're not leaving with the baby.
You're not touching me with my baby. Knock on the door.
Stay here.
Why are you stopping me?
You're gonna
I was pulling into my house, though.
You're gonna get arrested.
No, I'm not. I have to go to work.
You're gonna get arrested. I don't want you to.
No, I'm not. Don't touch me with my baby. Don't touch me with my baby.
Did you just put your hands on me?
Don't touch me with my baby.
I'm just trying to get her ID. That's it. Back up.
Daddy.
Sir.
I don't know where he came from.
I don't want her to get her arrested. Just want to
Daddy,
give her a
I don't know where he came from. He just touched me with my baby.
No.
I don't know
it's
where
all on
he came
camera.
from.
I'm legally stopping her for her
Daddy,
seatbelt.
I was
Okay.
right here.
She's like, I'm not. You're not trying to do that. I do. I'm not trying to escalate this, but she puts my hands on me again. It's
You
gonna be
put your hands on me with my child.
Because you're not listening.
You touched me.
Okay.
He touched me. He touched me.
Okay, do the
He didn't
right
ask
thing.
me for anything, Daddy.
Okay.
I was just driving.
Okay.
Listen.
I pulled in.
Do the right thing and shut up. Get him in your license.
Do you think I'm here to give everybody a ticket?
No, he's not doing that.
If your baby wasn't here, this would have been very bad for you.
Hey,
Okay.
let me get her. Get the dog, Ariel.
That's fine.
Who the f is you? You gonna pull up on me? I didn't even do
Tango
anything.
32, copy the tag.
Nowhere.
So, what?
Pull up on me when I
Come here.
You're gonna tell me don't
The
stop.
devil is busy. The devil. And you cussing the police.
It's
She didn't have the
police.
baby in the female.
I put He said I wasn't in my seat. Oh,
just show him your license. Just show him your license.
No.
Ma'am, you got your ID?
You can go to jail.
No.
You got your ID, ma'am?
I don't know what
Whatever she chooses to do.
Yeah, just take the baby. Take the baby.
No. You stupid.
No.
You are damn
Ma'am,
stupid.
I'm telling you, just stay here for a
Ask
second.
him what happened.
You're gonna take.
Ask him what happened.
Hear me out. All due respect, I'm gonna let her do her thing right now. If she goes inside, it's gonna be an automatic arrest. That's not fine. She's not wearing her seatbelt. Simple routine stop. If she refuses that's.
He's bothering me.
I'm bothering her. Ma'am, you're not going inside. Don't do this. I promise you. Don't do this.
No, I'm going in the house. Why are you stopping me?
You're gonna get.
I was on the street
Breathe.
right here.
Breathe. Get a man your license.
Tango 32 to the unit that just passed by.
Man,
Just
what is
east.
you doing? So what? Give him your license. You ain't stupid. Get a man your stuff.
Nothing wrong with your license.
Ain't nothing wrong with you. You clean. You never been in trouble before. Fool. Check out.
He's bothering me.
He ain't bothering
I'm
you.
bothering you.
He's not bothering. So I'm here. You ain't bothering
Ma'am, get over here. Get over here, though.
Breathe.
You see how this shit
Breathe. The man just running your license.
Ma'am, stay over here now. All right. Go inside. I hope you do. All right. I'm great. That's good. That's good.
And then do an unconscious.
I know you didn't do anything. We know you didn't. So what? If you didn't do nothing, why you talking? Breathe.
Okay, so he's harassing you for nothing. Just be quiet. I was on this street.
Okay,
He's turning in to come to my house. He's not doing anything.
Okay.
He just pulled up behind me.
Okay.
I didn't know. I passed by him. That's it.
Ma'am, it's just a traffic stop. It's just a traffic stop.
The man ain't did nothing.
Well, he caught up to you when you
He
parked.
caught up to me when I was right here turning in and didn't turn his lights on. That's why I was confused.
There's nothing wrong with
He was
that.
not following me the whole time or nothing.
Okay.
He just pulled up out of nowhere.
So what?
You gotta go to work and he was pushing and shoving me while I was trying to get my baby out the car.
So what?
That's why I'm like this.
Are you okay?
No, are you okay?
I told you to
No,
stay.
are you okay? okay? Shut up. Are you okay?
I told you.
No, it's not okay.
I told you.
It's not okay.
You don't want to listen. You just
I
want
don't have to listen to you.
I know. But that's what
I don't. That's the thing. I don't. I have free will. I don't have to listen to you.
There is free will. There is free speech.
That's why you shouldn't be bothering me. Go bother somebody that's really doing something.
Okay.
We are so sorry.
I'm in here like listening to the word of God and like, what the heck? I don't know what's
You
going
got to
on.
know how to submit.
Just be submissive. Just
And
whatever.
submit yourself to these people. They ain't doing nothing. The man ain't getting nothing to you.
Ma'am, if you disagree with the citation, you can take that to court, okay?
That was so unnecessary.
So what if you get a citation? He can't arrest you for nothing.
You bring it ain't that. He she. Listen.
Okay, well when you go to court,
Well,
you
if he tell
the
you to
judge
speak yourself still, be still. That's it. Simple. They got a job to do, Bree. They got a job to do. That's it. They got a job to do. Okay, why don't you just do what he asked you?
Because it was unnecessary.
Okay, even if it was.
Ma'am, listen. Let me try to explain to you.
Listen to the man.
Typically, when we pull someone over, okay, for officer safety, we want them to remain in the car, okay?
But I just feel like I didn't need to be remaining in the car because he wasn't pulling me over until I got right here. He put on his right and I was getting out the car.
Ma'am, it's happening to you. Sometimes you don't catch up to the person. You're in the neighborhood, they get home, but you want them to stay in the car. You don't want people walking around, coming and going.
With me. I was getting
But
to my home so I could
Bree,
get out my car.
is they disrespecting you? No.
Yes, he did. He touched me.
Okay, but did you follow his order?
And then he gonna sit there and tell me I touched him. No, you touched me.
Ma'am, neither of us know you. In the past, we've had cases where people pull up and they pretend to live somewhere to get out of getting a ticket. So sometimes,
that's probably what he thought. But
okay,
I live here.
but we don't know that. So until we verify that, that's all it is.
Yeah,
We're just trying to conduct a traffic stop.
Right here.
We're just trying to.
If he would have stopped me back here, I would have stopped. I was trying to figure out why you wait till I get all the way to my house to put your lights on and tell me don't get out of my car where I live.
Man, so when we pull someone over, the first thing we got to do is we got to call it out on the radio. Sometimes the radio isn't clear. So until we can call it out on the radio, we're not allowed to turn our lights on, okay? So there's a whole procedure we go through that you may not be aware, but it's not we're not singling you out or anything like that, okay?
Yes, he did, because he was going the other direction and turned around to come this way. So he did say
Maybe he witnessed a violation, okay? I'm not him, I can't speak for him, but that's how these things work.
Bree, it's not that. It's just doing what they tell you. If that man would have been gone right now. He would have been gone. That's the thing. You have to submit. If you would have just shut your mouth, it would have been all over. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you. And what they saying? Okay. What's to report, Bree?
What you mean? What's the report?
Because you're not listening.
Yo, steak, all right?
But why you acting so ghetto?
All right. Nah. I tried not going this route with you, but you're very confused about what's going on here.
I am confused.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
I'm not playing with you. Stop.
Get back.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Get
Don't
back.
touch me.
Don't touch me. It's just so simple. She's causing some.
Put your hands behind your back.
Why you doing it like that?
Put your hands behind your back.
So what's she going to jail for? What is she going to jail for?
That Leo.
Give me a second.
You're gonna get
On my stomach, on my stomach.
You're gonna get yourself. Just put your hands behind your back.
She can on my stomach.
Put your hand.
Well, what's she going to jail
Man,
for?
look at her. She's resisting. That's what.
What is she going to jail for?
Battery on law enforcement.
Stop, Brianna.
Brianna, stop.
She ain't got no
Turn over.
Oh, no.
Turn over.
Turn over.
Turn over.
Brianna.
Turn over.
Why you doing that?
Turn over.
I can't.
Lay
What's
flat.
her life? I can't turn over. I can't turn over.
I promise you, turn over.
Turn this way and turn around. My arm.
I know it's not gonna go well for you.
Lay flat.
I'm telling you, go. Roll over.
Lay flat. Lay flat.
I want her to roll over. Other way. Other way. I don't want to hurt her.
Keep that on herself.
Brianna, why you do that? You did. You shouldn't have said that. I told you don't say nothing. I gotta go.
Go in the house.
Turn over.
Brianna, I told you.
Turn over. Turn over.
You ain't never been arrested, but now.
Turn over.
For no reason.
Turn over.
Okay, you don't like me. He's racist, Mom. He's racist, Mom.
Turn towards me.
No. Brianna,
We'll take someone in custody. Stand by.
just take it in the, put it in the
Ma'am, turn over, please. Ma'am, you gotta back up.
Ma'am.
Back up. Turn over. Turn over. I'm gonna go to you.
Okay, come here.
Wait, I'm trying to.
Turn over.
I'm not playing.
Grab the cups from your knees.
Put your hand.
Get your knee up like that. Video. I don't care. They don't have to arrest
She did it to herself.
But what was she getting arrested for? I can't breathe. She not even arrested. What was she getting arrested for? I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Ma'am, stop.
I can't breathe.
Ma'am, wait, I have you on your side, okay? All right, sit here.
She wants to shut a couple damn mouth shut.
Can you sit up?
I can't breathe though.
Sit up.
She got a machine in there.
It's fine.
Ma'am, sit up.
I was way too lenient.
I know you were.
Simple stop.
She wouldn't shut her damn mouth.
Sit up.
That's the excellent thing. She just out going crazy. Get her grab. Get her grab. Get her her thing.
I can't breathe. Why are y'all doing this for no reason? They follow me to the house for no reason and then try to pull me when I was parked.
Ma'am, are you able to sit up?
I can't breathe.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
I never did.
ma'am, can you sit up for me?
I can't.
Okay. How we gonna get you up?
I don't know. I don't have on any under.
We're just gonna stand you up.
Get in the house.
Come on.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Stand up.
Head to the car.
My clothes.
We'll get you your shoes, all right?
I didn't even do that. I'm getting arrested for nothing.
Hold on. Everything's gonna be all right.
I'm getting arrested for nothing.
Yeah, 100%.
I don't even know why I'm back here.
Have a seat in there, ma'am.
Told you to shut your damn mouth. I told you to
I
shut
don't
up.
care. I still don't care.
Have a seat.
I just can't breathe.
Can y'all take this with her? Cause she
We can't do that. There. Man, want your shoes or not?
You wear shorts?
she don't have any.
Mom,
I need the name and the badges of everybody.
Yeah, can you put the shorts on her? Can you put your shorts on her?
Ma'am, I'm here right now, Sergeant Weissman.
Get in.
Okay?
Breathe.
Ma'am,
You gotta understand, she's not a little kid. Back up.
I need to talk to her like that. Don't talk to her like that. Say what you want, pussy. Don't talk to my mama like that.
inside.
No, you.
Get inside.
Hey, Brianna.
Okay, we're done here.
Get in.
We're done here. We're done here.
Ma'am, get in the car.
No, he's gonna give it to me. I want the name and all.
Is this no, it's the
My daughter works.
Listen, it sounds like if she just cooperated for a simple
My
seatbelt.
daughter works for ICE. She's coming down from Pompano. She's gonna get her out.
Yeah, that's fine. You saw everything.
Yeah,
You know what
yeah.
happened.
She just won't listen, man.
I think some things were created here that were unnecessary, right?
It was very unnecessary. We're trying not to be hard on her.
seatbelt. I don't want to give her a kid. I take it with the kids here. You don't grab your kid out, so I can't do my job. You don't do that.
Just try to be a little lenient. We here, we see what happened. Things could have took another. Things could have took another turn. Let me call my lawyer.
I didn't know where you were. Some 109th and
Yeah, 45th.
oh Jesus! What's her issue, dude? What's her issue?
She don't have-
Does she have anger issues? Honestly, because we're gonna have to put cuffs on her legs, leg shackles. We're not putting. Roll down the window. Roll down the window. Do you want leg shackles on? You need to calm down. Why? Is she bipolar, ma'am?
As far as I know.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Under Wen versus United States, 1996, any personally observed traffic violation establishes probable cause for a lawful stop. Florida Statute Section 316.614 mandates seatbelt use. The officer's direct observation satisfies both standards. The stop was valid. The subject's confusion about the delayed light activation is understandable. Agency protocol requires officers to radio their location before activating emergency lights. Under Brenlin versus California, 2007, a traffic stop constitutes a Fourth Amendment seizure from the moment the officer initiates pursuit, not the moment the subject perceives it. Confusion about timing does not vitiate the seizure. Pennsylvania versus Mims, 1977. An officer may control a driver's position during a lawful stop as a matter of course. Prolonged refusal to comply with that directive is independent grounds for obstruction, separate from the underlying infraction. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, 2001. A custodial arrest for a minor traffic infraction, even one punishable only by fine, does not violate the Fourth Amendment. Under Florida Statute Section 901.15, warrantless arrest is authorized for any violation committed in the officer's presence. At 1 minute 40 seconds, the officer stated, "If your baby wasn't here, this would have been very bad for you." City of Houston versus Hill, 1987 establishes that verbal protest, directed at law enforcement, is First Amendment protected speech. A statement implying escalated force was considered in response to protected conduct is itself constitutionally impermissible and constitutes direct civil liability exposure for the department. Under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983, Graham versus Connor, 1989. The reasonableness of force is evaluated under a three-factor objective standard: severity of the underlying crime, existence of an immediate threat to officer safety, and whether the subject was actively resisting. Here, the underlying offense was a civil infraction. No weapon threat was present. Active physical resistance, however, independently elevated the force threshold. Ground control was within the continuum for an actively resisting subject. At 9 minutes 51 seconds, the subject stated, "Get your knee off my neck." Graham requires force to remain calibrated throughout the encounter, not merely at initiation. Following the 2020 death of George Floyd, most Florida agencies revised policies to restrict or prohibit neck area weight-bearing restraint. If this agency adopted that policy, this moment constitutes a policy violation, independent of the constitutional analysis under Graham. The officer provided no audible acknowledgement of the complaint. Under post-2020 use of force frameworks, that silence is indefensible. The arresting officer receives a C. The stop was legally grounded. Initial verbal patience was genuine, but three deficiencies override those strengths. Physical contact was initiated while the subject held an infant, a tactical error that placed a non-party at direct risk of injury. The very bad for you statement violates First Amendment standards, established in City of Houston versus Hill, and the unacknowledged neck restraint complaint, under Graham versus Connor, and applicable post-2020 agency policy, remains unresolved. The second officer receives a B+. Measured and accurate de-escalation with the family reflected. Crisis intervention team, best practices. Grade reduced for failure to initiate visible medical screening protocol. In response to the subject's repeated distress complaints, the subject receives a D+. Initial confusion about stop initiation was legally understandable. However, sustained non-compliance and physical resistance during arrest converted a civil infraction into 2 third-degree felonies, each carrying up to 5 years in state prison. Holding the infant throughout the physical confrontation endangered a non-party. Under established Florida case law, belief that a stop is unlawful does not authorize physical resistance. The remedy is the courtroom, not the street. 3 takeaways from this encounter. First, comply, then contest. Every constitutional violation by an officer is remediable in court, not through resistance. Second, officers must verbally acknowledge distress complaints during ground restraint. Silence creates independent liability and is not a defense under Graham. Third, a statement implying restrained force is treated as threatened excessive force in any Section 1983 civil rights claim. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police interaction and courtroom content.